Hello and welcome to Siqbee. Let's see how you create a free website with your own domain and free cloud hosting. First, you need to set up your domain. Watch the video above to get free. Custom domain. Let's get started and get free hosting. Go to aws.amazon.com. Link in description. Create a new account on AWS. Choose an email ID you want to use for this account. Now choose an account name you want to use for this account. Verify your email address. Enter the code you received on your email. Now set up a root user. Confirm your password. Enter your personal contact information. Here, enter your card details. It is very safe as it is Amazon itself. Select No Japan. It can be done later. Click Verify and Continue. Very negligible amount will be charged by Amazon. Enter the op you received by bank. Here you need to confirm your identity. Enter the details. Complete the CAPTCHA. Enter the OTP received by Amazon. Select Basic Free tier. Now your account is ready. Sign into console. Your account is ready to go. Now on GC to Instace. If you got such message, wait for some time. It will take some time to complete. The setup was completed after 5 minutes. Search for EC2 now. Click on drop-down and search for nearby area to your audience. As I am from India, I selected Mumbai. Click on Instances. Now launch a new instance. Click on Launch Instance. Name it anything. Now select Ubuntu from Quick Start. Select an AMI with free tier. Now select instance type. Create new key pair. Name it. Select our essay and .ppk file format. Download and keep it very safe. Check the boxes as shown. You can choose storage up to 30 GB in free tier. Simply click on Launch Instance. The instance is ready to be used. Check the instance state. Great, that's running. Now let's point your domain to instance IP address. Copy the IPv for public address. Open your domain registrar. In my case, it's Hostinger. Go to DNS and follow the records I am inserting. Remember to change the IP address with your provided IPv from AWS instance, and also domain name with your domain name. Now we have successfully added the records. The instance is connected to your domain. Let's check the status of your instance. Great, it's totally ready. Let's see how we can get a free panel and connect it to a AWS free tier. First, check the instance status. The checks should be passed. Download Putty from website for Windows. I will leave the link in description. I have already installed, so I will cancel it. Open Putty. Again, you need your public IPv4 to access the instance via Putty. Copy my steps. Paste the IP. Navigate to SSH, click plus. Navigate to auth below SSH and click plus. Click on credentials below auth and upload your PPK file downloaded head while creating the instance. Now simply click on open. That's great, you have access to your instance. I will make it little larger. Enter Ubuntu as username. You're logged in as Ubuntu. Enter sudo su to log in as root. I have give the link in description. You can simply copy the code and paste it. Use right mouse click to paste. Hestia cPanel have been installed successfully. Now let's create an account on Hestia cPanel. Change your email with this. Change your password with this. And your domain with this. Simply copy and add, paste it. This will take some time to set up. I will simply speed it up. Okay, done. Copy this and keep it somewhere. I will paste it here. Now let's add the inbound rules to instance. It's simple following. Go to your instance. Go to Security section of your instance. Click the Security group. Click on Edit Inbound Rules. Just copy-paste the rules, as I am doing. Select Type as Custom TCP. And Source as Anywhere IPv4. I will speed it up. All the rules have been added. Click on Save Rules. There is an error of duplicate rules. Click back and give it a check. Delete the duplicated rule. 443 is also a duplicate rule. Delete it. Click on Save Rules again. Okay, it's done. Copy the URL of Hestia cPanel. Paste it into the browser. Hestia Control Panel welcomes you. Username is admin. Same password you used in the command. Click Login. You need to enter a new user. Enter name. Contact name. Enter user email. Create your new strong password. That's it. Click on Save. The user is added. You need to enter as a user in order to add your website. Click on Add Web Domain. Enter your domain. Hit on Save. Your domain is added. Let's add free SSL to your domain. Click on pen icon. Take Enable SSL for this domain. Click All the re. Hit Save. This will take up to a minute. So the SSL is added to your domain. Let's check if the domain is working. Yes, it's working. Now let's install WordPress. Click on the domain. Click on Quick Install App. So many options available. I will go with WordPress. Click Setup. Enter site name. Enter account username. Enter email for admin. Remember to use them for logging in. Say your password. Now click on Install. Save. Just a moment. WordPress is installed successfully. Let us refresh the website. The website is live. Let's try to access the WordPress dashboard. Enter username and password. This is our dashboard ready. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Now you use WordPress to create your dream website. DM me on Instagram for any help.